days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. How you doing, man? So I'm walking through the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, Lord, and love ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes,
rain in my shoes,
searching for you, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain, hey, rain in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed you a photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside general store. Said yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Then I finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, where you bound, Lord, such a cold, dark afternoon. When we drove on through the rain, I said, listen, I explained. Then he left me with a prayer that I find you. Yep, Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, Lord, and love ahead's another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes,
rain in my shoes,
searching for you, yeah. Cold Kentucky rain, hey, cold Kentucky rain, oh yeah, cold Kentucky rain, oh yeah, cold Kentucky. Thank you very much. You guys are beautiful.